Soothing slumbers on the go, the Yogasleep Hushh portable white noise machine for babies. Introducing the Yogasleep Hushh, the portable white noise machine designed with your baby's comfort in mind. It's a game changer for parents, offering 3 soothing, natural sounds that create a peaceful environment. These sounds are crafted to mimic the comforting noises that reassure your baby, making it perfect for sleep or play. What sets the Hushh apart is its remarkable portability. Its compact design fits into your life, wherever you go. Traveling or just moving from room to room, the Hushh is your baby's familiar comfort zone. Experience the ease of creating a tranquil space for your baby, anytime, anywhere. Discover how the Yogasleep Hushh transforms daily routines into serene moments for you and your baby.